it's me. We're going to do some fraction stuff today. I want you to pay real careful attention to the words in these problems because all three of these problems, A, B, and C, are different. And I want you to see why, and I want you to be able to pose fraction questions very carefully as teachers. Let's do A first. Joe has half of a pound of candy. So first I want to make sure you're clear about what a whole pound of candy looks like. So that is one whole pound of candy there. That big, huge square represents 1 pound of candy. But Joe only has half of that, so he only has a half a pound. So he has this much candy. This is Joe's candy right here. Joe has a half a pound of candy. He's going to eat a third of his candy. So if I think of his candy as split into 3 equal pieces, he is going to eat a third of that. Notice that a third of his candy is one of these orange pieces. Do you see that? So there's 3. So if he eats a third of his candy, then he has really eaten the equivalent of one of these orange pieces worth of candy. In other words, what he has eaten, he had a half a pound of candy, and then he ate 1/3 of a half a pound of candy. 1/6 of a pound of candy is what he ate. Look at this. Here's a pound. Notice this is 1/6 of the pound. So this is a half of a pound minus 1/6 of a pound of candy that he ate. So what fraction of a pound of candy does he have left? Well, let's look. So he started with this brown amount of candy here, and then he ate this orange amount here. So what he's left with is this part here, which is 2/6. So he is left with 2/6 of a pound of candy, 2 oranges, which are each 1/6 of a pound. Notice that if you solve this problem by changing this into 6, here I'll multiply by 1, then I get 3/6 minus 1/6, and that is 2/6, or a third of a pound of candy is what is left.